Hello, good morning, everybody, Indian peoples. Today, I am introducing a new topic. That is, are you right patriot or philanthropist? Because of I am choosing this subject before starting the India-Pakistan war. All the Indian peoples streaming the war, especially media peoples and lot of YouTubers and genius and gentlemen include the global citizen Shashi Tharoor streaming the wars. These situations, I am observation, I would say my opinion. I am questioning you. I am asking you, do you have a nature anywhere in the world? Limitation create the country as a America, Japan, Britain, like that India, Pakistan. No, never. These countries' limitations create the all the people's religious and caste and creed and politicians because of limitations countries. These all the people's living for the caste and creed politicians. This this is a patriotic attitude according to demand the war. According to government declare the war, both the countries lectures of innocent peoples destroying the government destination. That is a patriotic attitude. But these people, you are think about it, philanthropist people. As a Mother Teresa and Gandhiji, Karl Marx, etc. people is a philanthropist people. For living, innocent people's save living, agony and suffering people save the destination and the philanthropist people. These people leading the world